What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Infiniti Q50 smart key remote fob. This Infiniti Q50 key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using in order to change this key fob battery is a smaller flathead screwdriver. The first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's on the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this release on the back of the fob that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. We can just set that key to the side. Now if we grab our screwdriver and we hold our key fob with the buttons facing down, and we take a look at the bottom of it, you can see right here and right here, there's two small notches that I'm putting the end of the screwdriver on either side. So what I'm going to do is pick one of those notches and put my screwdriver in it like this. Make sure your screwdriver is all the way pushed in, then I'm going to twist it like I'm opening a lock with a key. And as I do that, you can see it splits the two halves apart. I'll come over to the other side, do the same thing. Then once it's started, you may need to carefully just kind of run your screwdriver down the side a little bit like that. Just take your time and go slow. And then once it's open far enough, we can just pull it the rest of the way apart like that. In the back half of the case, we see our battery right here. And there's a little bit of a cutout in this battery holder that'll allow you to get your screwdriver under the edge of the battery and pop it out of there. Now we're going to grab our new replacement battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side down, positive side down on the case like that. And I'm going to start this edge in first that has this metal battery clip right here. So I'm going to kind of tuck that edge in first like that, and then snap it down into place. And now we can put the two halves of the remote back together. Slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.